Somebody broke out my back center window here, so I'm gonna replace it quick. Ordered this from Toyota. Here's part number. Ordered it before 1 o'clock. It had to be delivered. It's here in 1 day. 130 bucks, pre-tinted. Comes with the rail already, which is pretty slick. Yeah. Alright, so I put my back seats down just to make it a little easier. You can see here that there's still glass in that old window. There's some glass in the track too. Got to get all that out first. I've already disattached this cable from this side. I'll get a video of me doing it over here. Getting the cable out of this little loophole was super hard because it was super tense up against this. So to relieve the tension, I just opened the window a little bit, gave me some slack, and I was able to pop it right off at the expense of this one, which was already off, restricting a lit 'bit. All right, so to actually get this out, I think I'm gonna have to remove this back part. So I'm gonna do that quick. It's just a few 10 mil bolts here and a 1 Phillips screw. So we'll see if that helps give me a little more room. So I'm running into issues getting the actual old window out of the, I guess you'd call it rails. I'm looking at the new one and there's these little grooves here. I can see the grooves in there and they end right here. But this little guy here, held in by an Allen key, pull it away a little bit, there you go. That stops the window, so I gotta remove that and then hopefully I can slide it out over here. All right, so I got the little brake out of there. Let's see if this bad boy drops down and if we can get her out now. Just get over there, cable. Push her along. Keep on going. She should drop down right about here. Oh, there we go. She dropped down. We just gotta get her out now. I'll use my little tire tool here. I was able to hook in there and look at that. The old window is out. All right, before I install the new window, I want to try to get all these glass chunks out of there. And I don't really have a good way of doing it. I used my vacuum, but it didn't have enough, you just have a focus here. Didn't have enough suction, so I'm just grabbing them one by one with this thing, tweezing them out of there. Oddly enough, if I blow into here, I can get them all piled up over in here, so that works, I guess. So there's this stopper right here that I've removed. It may have been removed unnecessarily. I'm putting it back in now. I don't have the window in yet, but I'll keep you posted if I prematurely put this stopper on. All right, so here's my new window. You can see it kind of curves a little bit. You want the curved side facing out. Also, this little Toyota sticker down here kind of helps. Yeah, we're gonna install this now. All right, the window is in. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain in the ass. I had to pull all this back, pull this back and jimmy it, but we're in there. We're on the rail. It's kind of hard to move right now, but I think it just has to be broken in maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get it connected and we'll see how it goes from here. All right, so I got the window all the way over up against the stopper. You can see I got a lot of slack here. I'll probably put it in the middle here. It's sliding better now that it's on the side that it was supposed to slide on. Maybe I'll open it a little bit. Put that in there like that. Sorry, I probably didn't get that on video, but easy enough. Make it tense. All right, we'll see. I didn't get a video of me taking this out, but here it is. I'm gonna slide it in. Just slides right under the window. All right, I got that white slider back in there. Now I'm gonna add this brake back, and I'll do all these bolts up, and then we're almost done. All right, so here we got the new window all installed, everything back in there. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, we did it. That saved me 350 bucks. Maybe took me a little longer than I like, but there were some breaks taken in between.